In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a diagram in Draw.io. So the first thing you want to do, click on this plus icon and then click on template. And here you can either start by creating your blank diagram or use any of these diagrams over here, such as class diagram, swim lane. You have a bunch of different ones over here, and you can use these as a template. So let's say you want, for example, a sequence diagram. Click on that, and you can just go ahead and insert that on here, and you can edit it however you then like, okay? So that's, of course, the first way of doing it, but the second one is starting from complete scratch, and you can do this by just going over here. You have a bunch of different shapes. You can just basically drag on, resize, modify, stuff like that, and you can create your own diagram via that. Now, here you can also click on more shapes and you can view basically a lot of different collections of different shapes. You can click on them and they're gonna get basically shown to you over here. And if any of these are something you like, you can just click on this check mark, click on apply, and it's gonna get added onto your list over here on the left. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.